Hello coders, welcome to my video. In this video, we'll study about how to pass an array to a function. So let's start. So I'll take a function that will return a character pointer and the name of the function is function only. Then what I will do, I'll create a array and I will initialize it to the value, test value, something like this. Okay, and I am returning the array address. So the name of the array is the address of the array. So I'm returning it. Okay, so here what I will do, I'll take a pointer that will take the value from this function. Okay, and I will be printing this array value is percentage s as it is a string value, and here I'll take ptr. Okay, so if I compile it, I'll get a warning. Okay, so what this warning is, as we are returning the local array address to this main. Okay, so it's complaining that this is not possible. If you want to do it, we can use this array and allocate the memory through malloc. Okay, then we can pass this pointer over here. So how to allocate the value to an array by passing the array to the function. So what I will do here, I'll change it. Okay, so I'll take a void here. I don't want to return anything from here. So here I'll remove this as well. Okay, this one is also not needed. Okay, so here what I will do, I'll take a character array. Okay, and let's say 10 size. Okay, and I initialize it to 0, and then I'll pass the value to this function to the argument. Okay, so for example, I'll pass this array like this. Okay, this is the address of the array, and after that, what I need to do, I need to print the value. So I will be taking uh, array is equal to percentage s, as it is a character array, and then I will take ARR here. Okay, so let's see what is the value of this argument. So we are passing the array to this function. Okay, so here we can do character array like this. Okay, then what I have to do, I'll string copy, then the array, then the value is test value same. Okay, so I don't need to return anything. So what I'm doing here, I'm filling this array which is passed through as an argument with a value, and I need to print this value over here. So let's see if it works or not. Okay, so the value of the array comes out to be the test value. So this is one way how we can pass this value. So if I have a integer array, so let's see what happens in case of an integer array. I will pass the same array here. Okay, so here I can do one more thing if you want. So you can take a pointer over here as well, in spite of these empty brackets, and as this is a integer array, so we have to give the integer over here. Okay, so then I'll remove this because this is an integer array. I'll take a loop here. Okay, so I'll take integer I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Okay, and then what I'm doing is I am filling the value of I is equal to I. So it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not 5, it's 0 to 4. Okay, so let's save it. So similarly, we need to print over here as well. So what I will take this loop from here, a copy from here, and then I will paste it here so that I'm able to print that array. So the value should be array, sorry, it would be array percentage d is equal to percentage d. Okay, so here I'll take I comma array I to access that element. Let's save it. So what will be the value of this? So here I'm getting the value from 0 to 4 as required. So this way, so one more thing, let's check the address of this array. So printf, if I have the address in function is equal to percentage p for address, comma, I will take the address of array here. Okay, so I'll save it. I'll take the same function and I'll take it here as well. Address of this in main. So let's see what is the value of that address. Okay, so if you see here, the address in function and the main is same. So the same address is being passed over to this function and the same memory is being accessed here as well as in this main function as well. So as we are passing the value as 5 here. So, but the array size is 10. Okay. So if I increase the size to 20, then what will happen? Okay, let's see. So here also I need 20. Okay. So, you see here, it will something got crashed. Okay. Because it's outside the bound of this array memory. Okay, so you are accessing the ROM memory, so that's why the program might get crashed. Okay, so what is there in passing this array? So it loses its index. You cannot find the size of this array inside this function. Okay, because in this function this array is just a pointer, so it will give you the 8 bytes or something. So what to do for this boundary condition of this array? So we'll give one more parameter over here, that is integer size. Okay, so here I'll give the value as size. Okay, if I save it, and here also, what is the value of this size? So it will be the size of what array? divided by size of array 0. Okay, it will give you the size of this array. So if I save it and I have to give the same value here. So in spite of doing this, I'll cut here and I'll paste here and I'll take a variable size array. Okay, so I'll take this size now here and I'll take it here as well. So if I save it and I again compile it, you'll get the correct value. So as the array loses its precision inside the function, you have to pass the size of this array so that it won't, pass through that boundary condition and this program got crashed. So this is how we can pass the arrays to the function. So let's see in the next video. Thanks.